Militer Rusia memperbarui informasi operasi militer khusus di Ukraina dalam 24 jam terakhir. Juru bicara militer Rusia Letnan Jenderal Igor Konasenkov, tanggal 13 Agustus merilis serangan pasukan sekutu Rusia berhasil menguasai sepenuhnya wilayah Peski di Republik Rakyat Donetsk. Pasukan Ukraina memilih mundur karena menderita kekalahan besar, kata Igor Konasenkov. Operasional taktis dan penerbangan tentara, pasukan rudal dan serangan artileri pasukan Rusia terus berlanjut terhadap fasilitas militer di Ukraina. HIMARS peluncur roket dan gudang amunisinya dihancurkan di dekat Kramatorsk, Republik Rakyat Donetsk. 2 helikopter Mi-24 Angkatan Udara Ukraina dihancurkan di helipad dekat Domanyovka, wilayah Nikolaev. 4 pos komando, 143 area konsentrasi prajurit dan senjata, militer dan peralatan khusus juga dieliminir. Secara total, 267 pesawat Ukraina dan 148 helikopter, 1.736 kendaraan udara tak berawak, 365 sistem rudal anti pesawat Ukraina dihancurkan. Juga 4.297 tank dan kendaraan tempur lapis baja lainnya, 798 sistem peluncuran roket ganda, 3.295 artileri lapangan dan mortir, serta 4.858 unit khusus kendaraan militer dihancurkan selama operasi, kata Igor Konasenkov dikutip Tribun Timur. Dari kubu Kyiv, Kementerian Pertahanan Ukraina merilis 200 tentara Rusia dieliminir dalam sehari terakhir. Total 43.400 prajurit Federasi Rusia tewas sejak awal konflik hingga hari ke-171. Menteri Pertahanan Ukraina Oleksiy Reznikov mempublikasikan kedatangan roket jarak menengah M270 dari Inggris. Terima kasih seluruh rakyat Inggris, senjata ini akan membantu mengusir penjajah, kata Reznikov. Presiden Ukraina Volodymyr Zelensky terus menggalang dukungan solidaritas internasional untuk bersatu menghukum Rusia atas perangnya di Ukraina.
The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. Allied forces offensive resulted in the complete liberation of Peski in Donetsk People's Republic. High-precision, long-range sea and land-based missiles and multiple rocket launchers struck enemy reserves near Gavrilovka railway station in Kharkov region, eliminating over 70 servicemen and wounding over 300 of them from the 30th Mechanized Brigade of Ukrainian Armed Forces. Movement on this section of the railway is completely blocked. High-precision strikes of the Russian aerospace forces against a temporary deployment point of the 10th Mountain Assault Brigade near Peruyezdnoye in Donetsk People's Republic have destroyed up to 170 nationalists and 12 pieces of military equipment. During Allied forces offensive near Artyomovsk in Donetsk People's Republic, 2 companies of the 72nd Mechanized Brigade have been completely destroyed. As a result of concentrated strikes on command posts of the 66 Mechanized Brigade units and right sector armed formation near Staroye Terny in Donetsk People's Republic, more than 100 nationalists and 10 pieces of military equipment have been destroyed. Operational tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery strikes continue against military facilities in Ukraine. HIMARS rocket launcher and its ammunition depot have been destroyed near Kramatorsk in Donetsk People's Republic. 2 Mi-24 helicopters of Ukrainian Air Force have been destroyed at helipad near Domanyovka in Nikolaev region. For command posts, 143 areas of manpower, arms, military and special equipment concentration have also been hit. As part of counter-battery warfare, 2 platoons of Grad multiple launch rocket systems near Soledar and Artyomovsk, 3 artillery platoons of Akatsiya guns, and 5 platoons of D-30 howitzers at firing positions near Mayorsk, Dzerzhinsk, Zvanovka, Seversk, Peroyezdnoye, Yakovlivka, Fedorovka, and Vyimka in Donetsk People's Republic have been suppressed. Russian air defense means have destroyed 4 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Centralnoye in Nikolaev region, Suligovka, Shestakova and Mitrovka in Kharkov region. In addition, 4 HIMARS rockets have been shot down in the air near Novaya Kakhovka in Kherson region. In total, 267 Ukrainian airplanes and 148 helicopters, 1,736 unmanned aerial vehicles, 365 anti-aircraft missile systems, 4,297 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 798 multiple launch rocket systems, 3,295 field artillery and motors, as well as 4,858 units of special military vehicles were destroyed during the operation.